Today Ad Gully Ad Film Review is here to review Birla Sun Life's campaign with cricketer Yuvraj Singh and Nihar Natural's new campaign with actor Vidya Balan. Birla Sun Life Insurance has launched a TVC with Yuvraj Singh on how to live with confidence through ups and downs of life. In fact, it can be well said as a comeback to life film of the cricketer. The TVC looked as an extension of the previous BSL UV campaign where he emphasized on the fact "Jab tak balla hai, ठाठ hai." However, this time he is seen asking and questioning why me. The ad film clearly focuses on telling the story of UV's fight for life and how he stood tall in this battle.
Why me? नहीं, मैंने तो ऐसा कभी नहीं सोचा कि मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों हुआ। जब मैं वर्ल्ड कप में मैन ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट बना, तब तो मैंने नहीं सोचा Why me?
The TVC is short and crisp with a clear message that one should always be prepared for the future. But the question is, has the film attained its objective? Well, we at Ad Gully, after watching the film, believe that yes, very smartly with emotional touch, the brand with its ad film seems to attain its objective, but the brand could have used some more smart skills in the TVC. Ad Gully Ad Film Review gives Birla Sun Life Insurance's campaign 3 out of 5 and believes that something was missing in the TVC. Maybe the creators could have done a little more.
तो फिर कल तक मुझे ये भी नहीं मालूम था कि मैं फिर खेल पाऊंगा या नहीं, और आज I'm back. लाइफ ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया है। जैसे कल क्या हो किसे पता, पर कल के लिए प्लान तो कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि क्रिकेट हो या लाइफ, जब तक बल्ला चल रहा है ना, ठाठ है बेटा।
On the other hand, Nihar Naturals has launched its latest Chote Kadam Pragati Ki Aur campaign, which provides a platform to today's progressive women to take a small step to enable a brighter future for the kids. The TVC highlights the latest initiative by Nihar Naturals. Every time a woman chooses to buy a bottle of Nihar Naturals, 2% of all the earnings will go to the cause of children's education in partnership with Cry India. No doubt that the TVC has a touching script with Vidya Balan as a mere housewife seen helping and making the children of her locality happy. The TVC depicts the initiative quite clearly, but how does it connect to the brand?
ये लो डॉक्टर साहिबा आपकी चाय, और ये अरे फिर से गुस्सा।
Has the film attained its objective? Ad Gully Ad Film Review gives Nihar Natural's campaign 3 out of 5 and we feel that the film could have done something more with the top-ranking actor of Bollywood.
ये लो डॉक्टर साहिबा आपकी चाय, और ये अरे फिर से गुस्सा। क्या सिखाया था कलेक्टर साहब आपको? लेडीज
फर्स्ट।
वेरी गुड, ये लो अब पढ़ो। हाँ, बाय। बच्चों की प्रगति की तरफ एक और ऐसा कदम उठाइए, निहार शांति आमला अपनाइए। इसका 2% जाएगा बच्चों की शिक्षा के लिए, और बाल वो रहे जवां लंबे समय तक। कदम छोटा है
थैंक यू चाची।
पर असर बड़ा होगा।